Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1966 Triumph Tr4A Irs Sports Convertible. It's finished in pale blue, really lovely original color. Pale blue, black leather interior, black top, tonneau, 4-speed overdrive, wire wheels, double black plate California car showing only 66,000 original miles. Super good Tr4A Irs we have here. We purchased it from the Bay Area. It lived in a wealthy neighborhood for at least 20 years. And in 2019, its owner set out to do a nice cosmetic restoration on it. So the car received new paint, new interior, and then it kind of stalled out. And what we did is we bought the car and finished up the restoration here, putting all of our final touches on it. But super honest, original California car, no accidents, no rust, just excellent condition throughout, all the way around. Runs and drives great, factory overdrive, wire wheels, black plates. You know, this car's pretty much has it all. But yeah, really good sort of factory finish, pale blue paintwork. Just a little slow walk around here. Super good gaps, super good door fit. Really honest, you know, dry, accident-free California car. Just do a slow walk around here, show you how crisp and pretty all the body lines on this car are, how everything matches up nicely, how nice the doors fit. The bright work is very good. Yeah, mostly all original chrome. You do see a little bit of light pitting on these side lamp housings, but original front bumper, original grille, original headlamp rims, excuse me, lettering on the front there. We've got a new badge coming in from the UK, the plastic portion, but we've got the chrome ring, so we're waiting for that to come in. Really nice set of 60-spoke wire wheels, all new brakes fitted to this car. Have a look at the undercarriage pictures. Just perfect body lines, really lovely. Double black plate California car. Just a massive stack of stickers there on these original black California plates. In here, the trunk's been completely restored, painted, new board, new gas tank board. We've got maybe a day left on this car. We're gonna do some few knickknacks. Yeah, all new trunk rubber fitted around there. Twin sports exhaust system fitted. New tail light lenses. Like I said, we've gone through and done all new brakes on this car. Brand new windshield that was fitted at the time of the paint work with new rubber and lock-up strip. You could see there, brand new windshield. Let's take a look at this car's interior. Excellent, brand new reupholstered leather seats, new panel kit, arm bars, restored visors, brand new wood dash, new carpet kit, new door rubbers, rubber seals, brand new tonneau, super good black soft top fitted. But as you can see here, lovely interior on this. There's a radio fitted on the console. Yeah, great fitting doors, new fuzzies here, new scraper rubber, Really nicely finished Tr4A Irs. This is the model everyone wants. But yeah, very striking restored interior. Let's look at this car's engine compartment. Yeah, really nice condition engine compartment, mostly original paint. You can see here all the fender bowls are beautiful, clean and pretty. No drama, no accidents to the corners. Just very clean, excellent condition throughout. Take you around the other side. We'll have a quick look around here. Yeah, this is the original VIN plate. You can see that O suffix right there denoting overdrive. So this is a factory delivered overdrive car. But sweet running, just excellent car mechanically. Have a look at our driving video. Yeah, super desirable model with a huge host of options, especially that 4-speed overdrive and the IRS rear suspension. This is our 1966 Triumph Tr4A Irs Convertible, finished in this lovely pale blue, black interior, leather seats, black vinyl soft top, tonneau cover, 4-speed, overdrive gearbox, 60-spoke wire wheels, lovely double black plate California car showing 66,000 original miles, recipient of a full cosmetic restoration only about 4 or 5 years ago, native to the Bay Area here. Yeah, really nice, fresh, crisp colors, fresh to the market. 1966 Tr4A Irs Convertible. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.